And we cut across to more breaking news coming in. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's bulldozer action that has now converted. In fact, the conversion drink mastermind has faced bulldozer action is the latest that we are just picking up. Changur Baba house has been razed in UP's Balrampur, and those are the pictures on the right of your screens of how bulldozer action has now been taken against this man. In fact, the cops have gone on to claim that it was an illegal mansion and was built upon land that had been encroached. The cleric ran a conversion racket with the help of foreign channels. In fact, the charge against him also is that he had lured 40 girls to convert to Islam. So much so that he had received foreign funding to the tune of 100 crore rupees. And that is how he had been running this conversion racket in full swing in UP's Balrampur. My colleague Sujit, who sent us this report, let's take a look.
प्रशासन आज छांगुर बाबा की कोठी पर बुलडोजर की कार्रवाई करवा रही है। जिस तरह आप देख रहे हैं कि तीन जेसीबी की सहायताओं से इस अवैध कोठी को तोड़ा जा रहा है। सुबह से ही प्रशासन इस काम में लगा हुआ है। पहले इस ज़मीनों की पैमाइश की गई, पैमाइश के बाद जो भी अवैध अतिक्रमण इस तरीके से बनाया गया था उसको ध्वस्त किया जा रहा है। ध्वस्तीकरण की कार्रवाई की जा रही है। लगातार पुलिस बल और एपीएससी मौके पर मौजूद है। एडिशनल एसपी और एसपी तमाम आला अधिकारी मौजूद हैं। एसडीएम की देखरेख में ये कार्रवाई की जा रही है। सुबह से ही इस तरीके से इसको पहले अवैध कोठी को गिराने के लिए लगातार 3 नोटिस चस्पा किए गए थे, जिसकी जवाब न देने के कारण इस कार्रवाई को की जा रही है। लगातार अवैध अतिक्रमण के खिलाफ ये जेसीबी की कार्रवाई की जा रही है। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं किस तरीके से तीनों जेसीबियाँ इस घरों को गिरा रही है, अवैध को भी जो करोड़ों की लागत से बनी हुई है। छांगुर बाबा जिस पर एटीएस का शिकंजा कसा अभी 2-3 दिन पहले ही उसकी गिरफ्तारी दिखाई गई है। अवैध धर्मांतरण, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग, बेनामी संपत्तियों का मालिक कैसे बना छांगुर बाबा, उसके सहयोगी रहे 3 अन्य लोगों को भी एटीएस ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। लगातार पीएसी और पुलिस बल तैनात है। किसी तरीके की आशंकाओं को देख के मद्देनज़र ये पुलिस बल तैनात की गई है। आला अधिकारी भी मौजूद हैं। लगातार ये कार्रवाई की जा रही है। पीछे एक बड़ा बिल्डिंग है, कोठी भी आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से अवैध काली कमाई के जरिए बनाई गई थी। इस करोड़ों की लागत की ये कोठियाँ जो अब गिराई जा रही, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि ये बड़ी बड़ी आलीशान कोठियाँ 3 जेसीबी की सहायताओं से गिराई जा रही है। बिजली विभाग द्वारा जो भी यहाँ के अवैध कनेक्शन लिए गए थे जो उसको भी काटा जा रहा है। लगातार देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से ये अंदर पूरा निर्माण था, किस तरीके से ये एक आलीशान कोठी की तरह तब्दील था। उसको आप अंदर देखिए कितने ही बेहतरीन ढंग से ये कोठी बनाई गई थी। सेक्शन का काम चल ही रहा था। उसके काली कमाई, अवैध धर्मांतरण, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग से पैसे इकट्ठा किए थे। एक अर्श से लेके फर से लेके अर्श तक एक छांगुर बाबा किस तरीके से करोड़ों का मालिक बना, ये भी एक छांगुर बाबा और उनके सहयोग।
All right, so that exclusive report that you're watching on India Today of the action that has been taken by the UP government against this cleric who was actually running a conversion racket. So much so that he was receiving heavy foreign funding to the tune of 100 crore rupees. And remember, there was a whole price list to the kind of conversions that they were aiming at, whether they were trying to convert Hindu girls or Sikh girls. And this cleric who was actioning this entire conversion racket, he now faces bulldozer action from the UP government, as authorities have claimed that this was an illegal mansion that he had built, and that too on land that had been encroached by him. His house, there you see, has been razed to the ground in UP's Balrampur. The cleric who ran this conversion racket with the help of foreign funding. And remember, details that have come in of how he had lured almost 40 girls to convert to Islam, heavily radicalized them, and then drew them into converting to Islam. To the tune of 100 crore rupees of foreign funding that was channelized towards this cleric, to action this massive conversion racket in UP. The mastermind who's now been taken by the UP cops, and bulldozer action that has been taken. This home office that has been raised bit by bit. Samarth Srivastav joining us live with further details of the conversion ring this cleric was running. Since how many years, the foreign funding that he received, and 40 girls we understand who he radicalized and lured them to convert to Islam.
Well, it's a big racket. I must tell you that Jhangur Baba from Balrampur was not just limited to one district of Balrampur. He has his lens from India or outside India, because now UP ATS is also investigating the matter, like from which countries he got funded. Because if you are providing some money that is worth in lakhs for that particular religious conversion, then you must be having some funding from somewhere. There are many things coming out. The money was from Hawala, Benami Sampatti, and many other things are coming. And also the bulldozer action is currently on in Balrampur in a property which was constructed on the government land, and currently the bulldozer action is on against that particular property. If you see in the visuals, it's a big major villa which you cannot see a normal man can build without any funding from any other country. So it seems to be a big nexus, though the arresting has been made. But is it just limited to the Jhangur Baba, or whether there are much in this particular story, as there are many aides of Jhangur Baba all around the country that needs to be investigated. And that's how Uttar Pradesh Anti-Terrorism Squad has entered this particular investigation along with UP STF and UP Police to find out the exact pinpoint person, the main accused in this particular case. So far in the investigation, Jhangur Baba has come as a major accused in this particular case. But if you see in the visuals, you can clearly get the sense how this villa was made and which is currently being demolished. Also, some questions will also be raised against the electricity department, against that particular development authority in Balrampur district, like how they ensured making or construction of that particular illegal building on the government land. So that is also the responsibility of the government officials working in both the departments. Firstly, with the development authority, whosoever is working in the Balrampur. Number two, the Department of Power, Department of Electricity, how they provided the electricity in a building which was made on an illegal government land. So that's a big question to the authorities as well. But if you talk about this particular nexus, that has been the religious conversion thing. Scores of girls, scores of women got trapped under this particular thing where they were provided with some money. He targeted especially those who were in a way financially a bit weak, and to strengthen his power to convert them into Islam, he provided that particular financial aid in the name of sympathy, and that's how he ran that particular racket, not just in Balrampur but in the other districts of Uttar Pradesh as well. Back to you.
Samarth, do stay on with us, because these are damning revelations that are coming to light on how the conversion racket was running. So much so that there was a price list that was attached to it. So this cleric, who was being paid to the tune of 15 to 16 lakh rupees if he would convert a Brahmin or a Sikh or a Kshatriya girl, 10 to 12 lakh rupees if he would go on to convert an OBC girl, and 8 to 10 lakh rupees for girls of other castes. This, as per the STF report, has been found out against this cleric, of how he was receiving foreign funding, which is to the tune of 100 crore rupees in order to convert all these girls into Islam. Samarth, I want to come back to you to understand that the motive was very clear, and the foreign hand into it indicates that there is more than what meets the eye. This could only be one cleric, but the nexus could be much bigger.
Well, exactly. This is such a shocking revelation where you can clearly see a rate list. It seems that's a hotel where somebody is selling the food items, providing a menu like chola bhatura is costing this, some food item is costing this, but it's not a hotel. It's the rate list of the girls or the women to whom he got convert. He made them convert into Islam. So that's a bigger revelation being made by Uttar Pradesh Special Task Force. What ADG Law and Order Amitabh Yash clearly said about this particular theory of Jhangur Baba. He tried to entice women from the community from the higher caste, that means Brahmins, Thakurs, and the rate was way more as compared to those OBC and scheduled caste women. And if you see the rate list, it starts from Brahman, Thakur, and other general castes. After that, he got to OBCs, 10 to 12 lakhs for OBCs, then 8 lakhs around for scheduled caste. So that has been a proper rate list. So this seems to be a proper funded thing, a proper nexus, very, very well organized crime. That's how STF has busted this particular racket, where Baba has been arrested, but the properties is on the radar of UP ATS, STF and UP police. So we can see more bulldozer action in the times to come. But yes, it's a big nexus and a new thing, a new modus operandi, where we see not just the religious conversion, but also the rate list in the name of caste in the Hindu community. Back to you.
Samarth, I want to thank you for getting us those details. We keep a close eye on the investigation that is ongoing in this particular case.